Hi guys, my name is Steven and welcome to video number 19 in my video series called Introduction to CodeIgniter. What I'll be showing you guys in this video is the email library. We're going to take our application that we've built so far. So far we're using the form helper, the form library, and now we'll be using the email library, getting this form to send an email to a pre-made email address that I've actually created specifically for this video. So, why don't we get started? First of all, I'll mention that I actually did make some changes to this. I uploaded the entire project to my web server, and then I've actually moved the URL and everything from above what you can see, just to protect myself and things like that. So it won't make any difference as far as learning the email library. Another thing I want to note is that I won't be showing in this video how to set up email in the PHP initialization files. That's something you'll have to figure out by yourself. This is only assuming that you have emails already set up to work and they are initialized with your PHP ini file, which they are on my server. So now that that's all out of the way, why don't we get started? The first thing we want to do is load the email library. So we'll go to this, load library email. And the next thing we want to do is we can actually just go right into some of these functions. We'll go this, email, and then from is an important one. This is actually, there's from, there's to, so we'll do to as well, and that's it for now. From will actually, it receives two parameters. The first one is which email and the name of the person who owns that email. So in this case, we can actually go this set underscore value, which is a form validation function that will output whatever they submitted for full name email message. So in this case, it'll be full name, just like that. Actually, the email address, so it'll be email instead, because the first parameter is the email, the second parameter is the name. So for the name, we'll do the same thing. We'll go set underscore value, and the parameter, the text for this one will just be full names. We'll just copy and paste that. So I am lazy. And then to will be actually the email address that I created for this, which is php cad test @gmail.com. Okay, now there's the subject. So we'll go this, email subject. And for this, we can just put something like message from form or something like that. Form. From our form. The next one, why don't we do the message? Yeah, the actual body of the email. So this one is just message. That's the function, and it also receives one parameter typically, and it is set underscore value, whatever we typed in for that message in the message text area. This is, of course, it's not going to look that great, you know. It won't be styled very well, but I'm only going to be showing you the basics of the email library. Maybe later on we'll get into some more details, or some more, like for example, configuration options, things like that, or even styling emails. But for now, this is all we'll do. And then after that, we'll go with this, email send. Okay, and one more thing I want to actually do is we're going to echo out of whatever this function returns. It'll be this email print underscore debugger. I think that's what it is, yeah. Okay, and what this will do is if there's an error from CodeIgniter or from this library, it'll actually show us a bunch of the metadata that's being sent along, and it'll actually give us kind of like keep us up to date with what's going on. So why don't we check that out? First thing we'll do is we'll actually make this, we'll fill this out. So our email for this, in this case, will be like yay@gmail.com. And the message will be hello from the forum. Send. The email has been successfully sent. And you can actually see right here that is showing us all of the metadata that's being sent along with the email, and giving us this message of saying your message has been successfully sent using the following protocol mail. So it's actually using PHP mail, but CodeIgniter is of course configuring and setting all that stuff up for us. Why don't we go ahead and check this? I'm already logged in, and that email has been delivered. Hello from the forum. It's been sent from yay@gmail.com, but it may not have been sent from there, according to Gmail. And yeah, that's actually it for this video. Basically, we usually never want to have that in there, but I usually just keep it there and comment it out in case I do have problems. So we can save that again. Why don't we send another one? We'll go back to the contact form. Brian@gmail.com. Another message. And this will be with that print_debugger turned off. We'll go send. The email has been successfully sent because all of our conditions are obviously met from the form validation. Email has been sent. Why don't we check that out? Sure enough, there's another message, Brian@gmail.com. And that is awesome. And that's how easy it is to send email with CodeIgniter. Of course, I'm not teaching you how to configure PHP to send email. I'm only teaching you how to use the email library in CodeIgniter. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.